Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night, been thinking it ain't right if you and me.
Hey everyone, my name's Ella and I'm currently a university student living in Toronto, Canada, and this is my apartment in downtown Toronto. It is quite new, very nicely furnished, and today I'll be giving you guys a tour. And let's start with the entrance. So here I just kept things simple and hung a few necessities, my keys, my mask, and some bags. And down here I put my IKEA shoe rack. This is the hallway that leads into my apartment, and on the left is my washer and dryer. I'm really glad that I have an in-unit washer and dryer. Next is my big closet with mirror sliding doors. I actually really like these big mirrors. I use this closet just to store a bunch of things like my coats, vacuum, detergents, stuff like that. And that's why I usually try to keep the doors closed because, well, the inside just isn't very aesthetic. Across from my closet is a bathroom. It's a pretty standard bathroom, has everything you need, shower, toilet, sink. I actually don't really use this one, so I just put some cleaning supplies here, like my Swiffer and broom. Alright, and now let's enter the main part of my apartment, which is my bedroom and the living room slash kitchen. Let me show you guys the living room and kitchen first. So my living room and kitchen are basically blended together. Both of them are here in this space. My kitchen is super white and very aesthetic. I really love this kitchen. The cabinet doors are lightly textured with these very minimalistic handles, and I really like this design. But my favorite part of this kitchen is actually the concealed fridge and dishwasher. I feel like it's quite hard to find a pretty looking fridge and dishwasher, so it's pretty cool that these came with the apartment and are concealed. Definitely helps with the aesthetic. And over here, I have a built-in microwave and oven, which is definitely pretty nice. Now on the countertop, I bought this rack to help with organization. On the bottom is my air fryer that I love way too much, and my Instant Pot. And on the top, I just put some utensils and basic cooking supplies. And beside that, I have an induction stove, which is really great because there's no fire and it's also really easy to clean. And then I just have my sink. So because my kitchen is white and my floors are black, I wanted the rest of my furniture to have a black and white theme as well. Over here, I have my white dining table and a black shelf. I got a tall dining table because I thought those looked cool, kind of like a bar table, but to be honest, sitting on these tall chairs isn't very comfortable, so the next time that I buy a dining table, I am probably just going to go for a normal height one. Next to my dining table is my shelf. On the top level, I have one Rosé album. It is her solo debut album, and also a bunch of Taylor Swift albums. Can you guys tell that I'm a Taylor Swift fan? I'm actually really proud that I've been a fan since 2010. And I also put my Polaroid there. On the next few levels, I just put my camera, microphone, lens, and a few other filming equipment. On the other side of my living room, I currently have no furniture because I intend to use this side for filming my videos. I did buy some pieces from IKEA in order to fill up this space, but unfortunately they haven't arrived yet. However, you will definitely be seeing them very soon in my upcoming videos. Okay, Google, turn on my lights. And finally, here are my floor-to-ceiling windows and my balcony, which is definitely the highlight of my living room. These floor-to-ceiling windows make my living room feel super bright and open, and the view is also really great because I am quite high up. When I take breaks from working during the day, I like to just stand out here on the balcony to get some fresh air and also to enjoy the view. I am very lucky that this direction gives me a direct view of the sunset, so golden hour is always just so good from my balcony. I've been living here in this apartment for about a month now, and I am still impressed every single day during golden hour. I don't think I will ever get tired of the view. And now I'm going to quickly show you guys the second bedroom. It is behind the kitchen and it has a glass sliding door. Right now I'm just using this room for storage, so you can see there's my tripod, lights, and some other random things. And last but certainly not least, let me show you guys my room. So my room also has these gorgeous floor-to-ceiling windows, which again makes it feel super bright and open. I definitely wanted the furniture in my room to match, so I got everything in black, and the designs that I chose are all very minimalistic. And here is my bed. It is a full-size bed, which is actually the perfect size for this room because it goes from my wall right up against my bathroom doorway. And then I have my drawer where I put my clothes. On the top, I put some things that I thought would look cute, like my pen organizer and my super round Echo Dot. I also have my headphones. These ones are the Sennheiser HD58X, my wallet, and some tissues. Next is my desk area. I put my desk next to my windows so that I can easily look out and enjoy the view even when I'm working. I am planning on filming a desk tour very soon. It's actually going to be my next video, so I'm not going to go too much into my desk setup in this video, but here is an overview. I do plan on adding and changing a few things, so make sure to subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss my desk tour. And across from my bed is my closet with mirror sliding doors. I'm really glad that the doors are mirrors because now I don't have to buy a full-length mirror for my room. And inside my closet, I just have some clothes, so that's why I usually like to keep the doors closed. And lastly, this is my ensuite bathroom, which is definitely super nice. I love having an ensuite bathroom. This is my sink area. I don't have a lot of storage, so I have to put everything like my skincare and makeup things on the countertop, which is why it looks pretty cluttered. I might mount something on the wall to help with organization, but I don't have any solid plans right now. And finally, this is my shower. It is a pretty standard, good-sized shower. And that's going to be it for my apartment tour. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!